to disassemble the computer.system unit. Now that we're done disassembling, let's assemble.
electromechanical device with a motor, driven impeller or blades that moves air to dissipate heat from electronic components or enclosed spaces. By creating airflow, it replaces hot air with cooler ambient air, which is crucial for preventing overheating, ensuring stable operation, and extending the lifespan of equipment like computers, engines, and industrial machinery. The primary function of the central processing unit CPU, often called the brain of the computer, is to execute instructions and process data from computer programs and software. It manages and coordinates the operations of all other components in a computer system. A computer cooling fan is a device that maintains optimal operating temperature by circulating air within the computer's case. It works by drawing cooler air in from the outside, pushing it over heat generating components like the CPU and GPU and expelling the hot air out of the case. This prevents components from overheating, which can cause performance throttling or hardware damage. A PCIe to SSD adapter card is a hardware expansion card that allows you to install a PCIe to SSD into a computer that acts a dedicated M2 slot by using a standard PCIe slot on the motherboard. This adapter card translates the PCIe signals, enabling your high-speed M2 SSD to function as if it were a native component, providing a way to increase storage capacity, improve performance, or recover data from a laptop's M2 drive. A motherboard's main function is to connect all the essential components of a computer, such as the CPU, RAM, and storage, and to allow them to communicate with each other. It also distributes power to these components and provides the physical slots and connectors for peripherals like graphics cards, hard drives, and USB devices.